So here we are at the house again after new updates have been completed. We got some new stones over here. Looks like white stones. A whole bunch of white stones. Here's the latest update. They've been working on this wall here, and they've been putting up stone. We can't go in through the front door anymore because the front door over there doesn't have a walkway going in, but there are new windows that have been installed up here, up there, as well as over the front door. Coming in through the garage, they put the windows up here too as well. Some big windows, 1, 2, and 3 over here. They've also put in heating and cooling ducts because we ended up getting fire sprinklers throughout the house as well as inside the garage. And in order to keep the pipes from freezing, the garage has to be kept at least 40 degrees Fahrenheit during the winter time. So we had to install a heating duct or heating furnace which goes up there in the attic space above the garage. As you can see here, they've also installed the glass windows that peek into the garage from the garage lounge over here. There's going to be a door that actually goes in this missing area in the middle. Over here we have the other glass windows that peek into the garage from the dining room over here, and we'll see that inside the house as well. As we walk into the garage lounge from the garage lounge also has new windows that have been installed. The garage lounge also has the windows above that have been installed up there, as well as over here. The only thing missing from this room right now is the folding glass doors that go here, over here, over here, and here as well. Over here we have the windows that are going downstairs in the basement that actually fit into the window frame of the home gym. This will be the view of the garage from inside the garage lounge. This is the view from the dining room into the garage as well from these windows. And the view into the garage lounge from the dining room. Over here is the kitchen area that leads into the great room, where they have already installed the fireplace. That will be here. It's the Napoleon Tall Series or Vector Tall Series. That will have a duct that goes all the way up to the chimney up there. Here's another view of the great room with the set of windows and what will be the 2-story ceiling, framed out with a fireplace over here. And as we go over to the foyer, we will be able to see the 2 windows that have been installed above the door. Coming off from the great room is the study, which now has windows installed that peek out into the neighborhood. off from the study, we have the half bath over here, the laundry room over here, which will have double stacked washer and dryers that have been roughed in. There's going to be a sink over here. Over in this corner, we have the doggy wash station, which has also been roughed in as well. As we come over to the south side of the house, we have the master bedroom over here, which now has windows as well. There will be an electric fireplace over here and a cubby hole for the controls and the mount for the TV. This room also has a tray ceiling. Every room in this house is fitted with sprinkler systems, as you can see here, and another one up there, leading into the master bathroom. We have the his and her water closets. This one is slightly wider, which will also fit a toilet and urinal. Coming into the master bath, we have the plumbing roughed in for the 2 sinks. Over here in the wet room area, we have the jet tub framed out. We also have the showers with the controls already fitted in and roughed in, as well as the areas where the rain shower heads will be fitted. Above the tub, there is a 2-story space with a window above to allow light from outside to be present within this bathroom. In here is the 2-story master closet. Again, as I mentioned earlier, all of these rooms are fitted with fire sprinklers. This room is also fitted with a area for the washer and dryer that will be stacked over here. There are also electrical outlets that have been installed throughout. There's 4 windows up there, and that's the 2nd story of the 2-story closet with windows up there as well. Coming out of the master bedroom, we have the staircase that leads upstairs, which has already been fitted with a window here, as well as up there, which has a view of the neighborhood. And then coming around this way, we go back up the staircase. And as we look back, you can see the 2 windows that have been installed above and below. This is going to be one of the bedrooms up here, which has 2 big windows, followed by 4 little windows up here. There is an ensuite bathroom up here with the closet, the walk-in closet for this room. Where a sink and toilet will be fitted, as well as a tub with its own window over here. A shower will be fitted in here, which will also have a rain shower head above, your standard shower head up here, and the 2 body wash sprays here. And it'll also have a window that peeks through that window, so ambient light from outside can come into this bathroom. When we exit this bedroom, it leads to the bridge, which overlooks the great room over here. but also overlooks the foyer over here, where you can see the two windows that have been installed overlooking the foyer. From the bridge, we go into one of the other bedrooms that has been fitted with windows as well, that has a view of the neighborhood from here. Which leads into the closet, walk-in closet over here. From that bedroom, we have the bathroom that services this bedroom with its own toilet and sink that leads into the shared shower over here. This one has a standard shower head. Leads into the other bathroom for the other bedroom that will have its own sink and toilet over here. And this leads into the other bedroom that has its own walk-in closet, which is the smallest of the 4 bedrooms. This bedroom has its own set of windows that look and face the back of the house. And the doorway to this bedroom is out here. We are in the second floor of the 2-story master closet, which will only be accessible from the first floor of the master closet down there. There will be a spiral staircase fitted somewhere up here. As of now, I can get into this closet only through these studs, but once the walls are put up, there will be no access to this closet from the second floor. We're at the back of the house where the patio area is going to be. That looks onto the golf course. As we come over here, the brick has not been completed because there's a set of doors missing over here that need to be installed before the bricks can be completed. Over on this wall, we also have the stonework that has been completed recently. Which looks gorgeous. The brick itself looks gorgeous as well. And we come along the side of the house where the brickwork has been completed.